Unable to install the CapCut app on your iPhone? This can happen due to insufficient storage, a past app version, or restrictions in the App Store settings. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to install CapCut and get it working smoothly on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If it didn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Sign out and sign in to App Store. Open up the App Store app, then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, scroll all the way down. Tap on Sign Out. After that, sign in back again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.